Boss Terence,
Uy,
halika, may sasabihin ako. Alam mo ba, ang daming inuto ni Shibib, Mamaludin, dun sa meant to be seen ng Nishani niya.
isa na ako dun.
What is up, mga mahilig sa mga... This is your boy Armin, and this is my co-host.
Uto-utong Terence.
Welcome back again dito sa Amoy
Piranyan!
Piranyan! So, for today's episode, syempre, nauto si Boss Terence natin ng isang newest release ng Nishane, and this is Meant to
To be
be
seen.
seen. Okay? So, si Boss Terence ang tatanungin natin. And Boss Terence, can you give a little bit of preview about sa itong pabango na to and bigyan natin sila ng kung ano bang bakit mo siya binili and what ano ba siya talaga itong
Okay,
pabango na to?
share ako ng isang secret sa inyo. Alam na alam ni Armin to eh. Nishane is one of my most favorite niche fragrance house.
Ah,
So, nag-start ang love affair ko sa Nishane with Annie
ah.
and Wulong Cha.
Gulong siya, grabe.
So, ever since it really left a good taste in my mouth. So, parang every time na may release sila or kahit yung mga old releases na nila, talagang parang I ended up parang collecting them.
Oo.
Ito, parang ito isa sa to sa mga latest releases nila. So, matagal ko na rin parang binabrowse or inaaral yan. For the longest time, aminin ko, no? Parang, this is a musk-based fragrance kasi.
Oo.
I'm not really a fan of musk-based fragrances. Na-mention ko yun sa previous video natin sa musk
Oh yeah,
dissolve.
you don't like it
Oo.
that much.
Pero lately kasi parang nag-evolve yung pang-amoy ko eh. Parang nandito ako sa era ngayon na na-appreciate ko yung mga musky skin scents.
Mhm.
Na-appreciate ko yung mga floral scents lately. And yun nga, parang ay lately mas na-appreciate ko yung mga feminine leaning fragrances. So matagal na akong curious dito. Pero syempre, may apprehensions ako kasi unang-una wala naman ako makuhang decant nito, medyo bago pa.
Oo, wala pa masyado
Tapos
nagbebenta eh.
parang kitang-kita nila naman pink na pink eh. So parang
Oo.
medyo nakakatakot eh. Baka sobrang feminine niya. And lo and behold,
Very good, baka girly sobra.
hinahanap ko yung mga reviews. Mostly nga, women influencers ang nagre-review. Tapos, ito na, lumabas na si Poging Shibib. Tapos, di lang yun. Nandun pa yung reactions ng mga ibang influencers doon.
Oo.
Kaya nga nung nabili ko yan, piniem ko talaga si Shibib eh. Sabi ko, bro, I'm sold. So yun, the rest is history. Nung nabili ko siya, hindi naman ako nagsisi. It was a blind buy, okay?
Yeah.
But hindi ako nagsisi. So, sabi ni Shibib, ito raw yung next Hachibat
Hachibat.
eh.
Oo.
So, di ko lang alam kung mag-agree ako, himayin natin ngayon,
Himayin
pag-usapan
natin.
natin.
Let's talk
Oo.
about this scent if it's really full bottle worthy or hindi. So,
Anong reaction mo nung sprinay ko sa'yo
ang
kanina?
reaction ko dito sa Meant to be Seen actually, this is not your typical Nishane line na mga something compliment getter or something parang you will stop by or they will stop by you or parang mapapa-compliment ka talaga. This is on a different direction na nilakasan ng loob ng Nishane to release this kind of a fragrance which hindi nila ginagawa dati. For me, this is, I think, it's in the wrong marketing. Dapat sa tingin ko, dapat hindi nila nilagay for women targeted. And dapat nilagay nila siguro unisex fragrance.
Sana purple na lang.
Sana
ano?
purple na lang or sana different kulay na lang. Pero ang ganda ng very catchy, very attractive yung bottle niya. It's like a matte. Parang yung tipong mga sa mga makeup stores, usually pag nilalagay nila yung packaging nila, may mga gantong klaseng yung coloring eh, para lalo mo ma-attract yung mga customers eh, di ba? For me, this is it's leaning unisex and also it's a very, very seductive scent siya sa akin. Okay? Iba yung level nito. Love at first sniff ako dito sa pabango na to. Ito yung pabango na, how can I say?
Buti ka nga, love at first sniff eh. Ako, sisingit ko. First spray ko, to be honest, it wasn't love at first sniff. Kasi,
Okay.
first impressions ko, yes, it's powdery,
Oo.
kinda woody,
Oo.
musky.
Musky.
So sabi ko, what's so special about this?
Oo.
It reminds me of, yun nga, maraming mga initial musk therapy,
Oo.
yung musky,
Oo.
Yung Musk de Soie, yung...
Mas deswa.
sabi ko, anong iniba nito?
Marami mga musky scents eh.
Oo. Pero, kung saan ako, nung time na parang spin ray ko, hindi ako nagbigay ng reaction kay Armin kasi parang, fuck mo, ay, sorry. Mapapahiya ako kay Armin. Sabi niya, blind buy ka ng blind buy. Yan, napala mo.
Oo.
Napamahal ko tuloy, hindi mo nagustuhan.
Yeah.
But guys, habang tumatagal to, nung nagde-develop na yung amoy
Yung
niya,
amoy niya.
guys, I kid you not, sa akin parang palakas siya ng palakas ng palakas
Oo nga eh.
habang tumatagal. So, parang yung unang naamoy ko na powdery musky,
Mhm.
it evolves eh.
Nag-evolve, oo.
And dun na parang lumitaw yung Akigala wood.
Oo, lumalabas yung pagka Akigala-wood niya. And also, isingit ko lang din, ito yung tama si Boss Terence, yung lalong lumalakas. Ito yung parang akala mo wala ng energy itong pabango na to. Biglang sinaksakan mo siya ng charger, biglang umangat, biglang nabuhay. Parang biglang, anong tawag dun sa pag-hospital pag may namamatay, biglang i-revive mo siya. Revive ba?
Electroshock.
O electroshock. Parang biniglang electroshock mo siya sa dry down, lalong lumalakas.
Yes.
So parang kakaibang technology yung ginawa nila dito sa pabango na to. It's musky, it's very powdery, very aldehydic type of a scent, and very very light scent lang siya, but not your typical palang light scent na parang balance siya, light sa dry down, sobrang lakas. May asim, may amoy sweaty
Yes.
skin.
Armin, nung nagda-dry down, parang may animalic note siya, di
May
ba?
animalic,
Oo.
may animalic note na parang, ito yung animalic note na parang, yung parang tipong, parang, iba na yung mga atake nyo, yung, as in, nagpapawisan na kayo, na lumalabas na yung katas ng konting laway nyo. Although wala naman laway, pero that's how we imagine dito sa perfume na to eh. But, ito yung typical na pabango na I think this is a perfect couple scent if you want to make love to each other. This is a perfume that if a girl wears it, the guy will fall in love with his girlfriend or with his wife. Or if guy, vice versa, suotin niya, may in love din yung babae. Depende sa taste nyo. But this is a perfect couple scent. It's a very love scent. Talagang pang make love siyang scent na to. And can you tell us, bakit sa tingin mo, Boss Terence, meant to be seen? Is it really meant to be seen?
Okay, nung una talaga sinabi ko kay Armin, hindi ko maintindihan yung meant to be seen.
Oo.
Kasi hindi naman siya yung parang, honestly, I don't think takaw attention siya. Opinion ko
Yeah.
But, yun nga, as it progresses kasi, again guys, panoorin niyo yung isang review namin nung Masque de Soie.
Masque de Soie, yeah.
Oo. Parang, pareho silang skin scent. Correct me if I'm wrong, kasi pag sinabi nilang skin scent, usually they associate it with musk. And when you say skin scent, normally, pag malapitan mo lang siya maaamoy.
Maamoy.
Pero dito, kahit malayo, naaamoy ka
Naamoy mo eh, oh.
So, sa mga nakapanood ng previous video namin, we described Masque de Soie as parang
Pang-intimate scent.
subtle way of seducing.
Seducing, oo.
So, kumbaga, sabi nga namin, parang nakarobe yung babae.
Oo, gagantuhin mo pa eh. Come here, baby.
Pero ito, medyo yung napipicture namin dito, hindi eh. Walang conservative eh.
Walang hiya eh.
Plunging kung plunging.
Oo.
Short shorts, miniskirt kung miniskirt. Talagang may pinapakita eh. That's meant to be seen.
Meant to be seen.
Yun yung interpretation.
Oo nga eh.
Parang wala. Ito, sexy ako.
Oo. Wala akong tinatago. Ito yung tipong parang, if babae magsuot nito, ito yung tipong babae na no offense to them, she wants to be seen. Yung tipong hindi yung walang tinatago, walang hiya sa sarili niya.
Kumbaga,
if she wants to make love with
I'm
him.
confidently sexy.
Yes.
Parang ganun. Walang ano. Kumbaga,
Hindi mo tinatago yung fats mo, hindi mo tinatago yung,
Yes.
let's say kung may konting, anong tawag nun? Yung pag yung sa mga skin natin, lumalabas yung mga, stretch mark. Hindi mo kahiyaan yan. This perfume will give you that confidence na you need to be, hindi mo kailangan magtago pa, you are meant to be seen talaga. Okay? So, ito yung parang, kita yung everything eh. Kita yung everything. Yung tipong, talagang, tititigan mo na lang siya, wow.
Kumbaga,
You are so sexy.
your intentions are clear.
Yeah.
Gusto mong mapansin.
Yeah.
Guys, Kasi for those who don't know, no, si Jordi Fernandez yung nagtimpla nitong pabango.
Oo, Givaudan perfumer eh. Ang galing niyan eh.
Siya rin yung gumawa ng Blue Talisman. And
Grabe.
yung isa ring favorite ko na feminine marketed scent
Marketed scent. Impadia.
na BDK Impadia.
Oo.
So guys, ito kasi talagang kumbaga you're announcing your presence eh. Naaamoy ka talaga.
Yeah.
I mean, totally different from sa nakasanayan natin na skin sense.
Na skin scent.
So, ang sabi ko nga kay Armin this is powdery, musky, woody, done in a modern
Modern way. Na may pagka-creamy lotiony feel din.
Kumbaga, old school, it's musks and
Musks.
powder.
Yes, correct.
Dito, it's musk and powder, maybe woody, tapos dinala sa laboratorio ni Jordi Fernandez.
Oo.
Talagang nilagyan niya ng konting magic. So parang it will do the work for you.
Yeah.
Parang yun yung interpretation ko dito.
Yes. And there is also, if I i-include ko din sa kanila, try nyo munang i-try itong pabango na to kasi there is also the Akigala wood here. It really plays well sa composition na to. Siguro kung walang Akigala wood to, wala yung pagka what you call that, the peppery, the bombastic, very diffusive, airy type of a scent na talagang maaamoy mo wherever you go. Sasayaw siya sa hangin. It's a molecular type of a scent, yung character ng Akigala wood. And also, there is this also yung parang amoy, yung sweaty skin na nakukuha ko, parang, that's coming from the Akigala wood na nagbibigay ng parang pickled, juicy feel, which makes it talagang nakakaakit siya. And also,
Alam mo,
include ko din, yung,
Okay.
may naaamoy din ako dito yung animalic na yung sweat ng skin ng babae at lalaki during making love. It's in here. I think that's the civet note na naaamoy ko dito. What you were saying?
ako naman, kasi my experience with Akigala wood is a love-hate relationship eh. For me, I think Akigala wood plays a big part sa performance ng pabango-bango.
yeah.
Pero on my experience sa Blue Talisman, BDK Impadia, ang problem ko with Akigala wood, I don't like its dry down. Yung sinasabi mong peppery and pickle juice.
Pickle
naaamoy-
juicy,
To
oo.
my nose, I don't like that eh. But dito,
Mm-mm.
kasi yung sinasabi nila yung sesame note,
Sesame
yung parang
note, oh.
amoy papel.
Very
Sa-
creamy eh.
Parang mas prominent siya for me sa dry down eh.
Masarap eh.
And I think it buffers the harshness of Akigala wood. Eh.
Nabawasan niya eh.
Oo. So parang pleasing pa rin siya sa akin eh.
Yeah.
Well, based sa wearing experience ko
Yes, yes.
on the 6th or 8th hour,
Mhm.
hindi ko maano yung pickle juice eh, na parang naaamoy ko sa iba.
Sa iba, okay.
So akin okay siya.
Okay siya. Ito, i-include ko lang din to para mas lalo ninyong maintindihan. For me, ang sesame kasi and yung amoy pagka sensual, sweaty skin ng civeti na nilagay nila dito, it's a very pheromone type of parang ginagamit sa pabango na to. Bigay ko ng example ng mga pabango. Let's say, baby cat. It has that parang sesame note, sesame accord na ginamit na if himay nyo. And also, nasomato, yung ano yun, yung nasomato na nirelease niya, yung may pagka, sadonaso. Sadonaso. There's also sesame accord. So, it's a very sensual, very seductive scent. Talagang pang make love yung ginamit ni Jordi Fernandez dito. But, I think it's such a good release, but hindi siya dapat targeted as a female. Dapat targeted siya as a unisex.
I agree.
Wag sila basta-basta yung parang magsasabi na, ay, pang women yan, ayokong itry yan, isnab na yan, next, on to the next na. No, wag kayong mauuto sa bote, kulay ng bote, amuyin nyo muna, then dun muna i-judge na lang. Okay? Baka kasi bigla silang ma-disappoint, ay, pink bottle, ay, pang feminine yan. Try mo muna, hindi mo pa nga natatry, hindi mo pa nga naamoy, hindi mo pa nga nasusuot, di ba? And also, let's go now on the recommendations, Boss Terence. Would you recommend this one to our audience?
Yes, very much. For people who are exploring yung yun nga musky based na skin scents,
Yeah.
I think this is a good entry level fragrance lalo na sa mga lalaki na apprehensive na tumalon dito sa ganitong
Ganyang
klase
class,
pabango.
oo.
I think ito mas wearable siya sa lalaki compared sa mga na-mention kong pabango kanina. Oo. So
Okay.
I highly recommend this. It is something different from anong nakasanayan natin sa Nishane na very polarizing, na very strong, screechy.
Screechy,
Oo.
oo.
Ito hindi eh. Suabe pero malakas, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oo.
Parang yin-yang lang eh.
Oo.
Binalance out niya talaga eh.
Mm-mm.
And for me, I highly recommend this one, but don't recommending it blind buying a full bottle. I suggest you go in our Nishane branches store, which is sa Greenbelt. Nasa Greenbelt siya. I don't know, Greenbelt 5 or Greenbelt 3. Check nyo na lang and visit the store sa Nishane store dito sa Metro Manila and try nyo muna for yourself. See for yourself if it's worth it or not. And for me, it's really worth it in my opinion. But for the price, no. Hindi siya worth it for the price. I think dapat mas mababa pa yung presyo nito siguro, in my opinion. Kasi yung mga gantong klaseng scent, you can buy it in a very murang way. Hindi yung sobrang mamahal na talaga. But I suggest if ayaw nyo bumili sa retail, buying retail this one, bumili na lang kayo sa mga nagbebenta dyan ng mga pabango na under the gray market. Okay? So, let's go now on the ratings. How would you rate it? 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest.
I would say, I'll give it an 8.8.
8.8. Okay. For me, I would give it, this is easily also mga 7 out of 10 for me. So, yun lang. Kasi I disagree with the price kasi it's very expensive. And also, satisfied naman ako with the scent composition. But I think kung siguro mas mura to, I think, mas tataas pa yung ratings na ibibigay ko sa kanya. Okay? And also, the color of the bottle, I think it should be on a different way. Sa tingin ko, dapat ginawa nila dito very transparent. Medyo dapat ginalingan pa nila. Meant to be seen eh. Dapat may something na parang, uy, ano yun? Silipin ko nga. Meant to be seen. Silipin ko nga. Di ba? Kita ba? Kita ba? Di ba? Okay, no offense ha. We're just trying to explain this perfume and for you audiences out there. Nothing else to say, Boss Terence?
Guys, Shibib, thank you.
Shibib, maraming
Nabudol mo
salamat.
ako.
Really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow Shibib din as well. Don't forget to follow si Boss Terence, Ode Terence. Really appreciate it, Boss Terence, for bringing this bottle and for reviewing here in our channel natin. Guys, wag natin kalimutan na lagi magpabango para sa sarili natin. Don't wear the perfumes just for the compliments. Wear the perfume just for the artistry. Appreciate the perfume for yourself. See for yourself if it's worth it or not. And yeah, keep spraying your perfume because life is too short. Till next time, Fragrance family, love you all. Comment down below, which Nishane do you have on your collection and which one is your favorite? Have you tried this one?